for the next video. And today we have a new girl with us. Hi.
She's a camera girl.
Yeah, she's my sister. Okay, let's go.
We are going to a place which nobody has seen at least. And this is an amazing view which you can see. Though the trees have no tops, but yeah.
They look cool.
This is all because of
construction
and deforestation. Guys, this was a mangrove before, but then this is all reconstructed.
Hello, dog. Doggy, doggy.
Yeah.
Doggy, doggy.
Bye, dog. So guys, we are going to the bamboo world, which you can see in just 5 or 10 minutes.
What is this written here? RCP. RCP. Dun 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 dun. Dun.
Hey,
What is that?
wow,
Oh wow.
old banyan tree.
It's a very old banyan tree.
It's not a banyan tree.
It's a banyan tree.
It's not a banyan tree.
It's a banyan tree.
It's not a banyan tree.
It's a banyan tree.
It's not a banyan tree.
It's a banyan tree.
Ropes. Wood ropes.
No, no. It is.
Guy,
Prop roots.
Zayan is quite educated.
Prop roots.
He goes to school. That's why he knows what are prop roots.
Prop roots. Prop roots. Prop roots. Prop roots. Prop roots. Prop roots.
I got one.
Sometimes you get crazy when you see something new. Guys, let's move on.
Prop roots. Prop roots.
Do you see those cactus? These cactuses, these are quite rare, which are only found here.
Hey, there's a cat over there. I think.
It came running. We got
Yes.
scared.
Did you hear the dog's noise?
Yeah.
Listening from a cat.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Something wrong here.
Yes.
Quite wrong.
Is that cat following us?
No, I don't think so.
See our problem.
Can you hear that birdie?
Birdie, birdie. Hello.
Birdie!
Where are you?
Oh god, that's quite long, right?
Yes.
See
See this? Guys!
Wow, see.
It broke.
Let's go.
It was not that strong.
Let's go.
Somebody is coming.
Wow. Just look at that view.
The trees are not there, but still the view is amazing.
How can it be amazing if trees are not there?
Some of the trees are not there. Not all the trees are gone.
All the people are living here.
Okay guys, thank you. We'll show the bamboo world in the next video. I love you, nature.
Back in 2 minutes.
Yes.